Okay, so my experience in the psych ward might not be what everyone else's experience is, and no, I'm not willing to tell what hospital that I was at because I don't want them under attack. I was treated well by most of the RN assistants and also the cleaning ladies, but it seemed like every time I needed to ask the nurse for something, they seemed annoyed by me, and yeah. So the doctor had got me stabilized on some medication, but then decided I couldn't take it home. My doctor, I had a doctor's appointment after I got released. She said if her suggestions don't work, that she will be putting me back on the stuff that did work. And right now, I'm going to wash my face and show you my nighttime routine as we talk. Although I know no one probably cares, I use this probably with the pink grapefruit foaming scrub oil-free acne wash by Neutrogena, maybe like 2 to 3 times a week, and then I use I think this is Clean and Clear Morning Burst if I need to wash my face in the morning. And yes, there's still stuff on me. I'm working on getting it off. I also use a tool like this because this has like the get into your pores, and this is just to get your makeup off. And when all else fails, I use Sephora's Rose moisturizing stuff to just like get off anything that could possibly be left over. And I love it. And then the stuff I use, you guys are gonna like die. So, I have a lot of different stuff, but considering my skin has started breaking out, I'm gonna use the Ordinary Salicylic Acid #2. Yeah, that got on my lips. Yeah, there's other ones out there. Like, I also use this, and it's hyaluronic acid, like, serum or whatever. But I feel like I get more bang for my buck when I use the Ordinary. And this actually moisturizes, so it's kind of weird. And I always keep the wipe that I was using to wipe off my hands before I apply anything next. So vitamin C serum is a must. So then sometimes if I'm feeling like that's not doing enough, I'll add the Global Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Facial Serum, but I don't want to burn because I've also got the Glow Recipe Toner and the Dewdrops, and I absolutely love them. I'm obsessed. Now, I like to use a retinol because I heard if you're 30, you should probably be using it. So I've been using it since like 25 probably. Yeah. And you can't use anything like this when you're locked up. Hey sweetie, what are you doing? Do you want a brush? Okay, so then after that, this came to me, and it's Sephora. And it's a serum, but it's a mushroom face serum. And even though it smells kind of bad, it really does hydrate your skin. But if I forgot to mention too, if you use the Glow Recipe, you really need to use a moisturizer sunscreen after it. Now, since I'm just going to bed, I'm going to do collagen and firming cream all over my face. The firming cream I kind of put where I feel like I have like, I don't know, places that could be pumped up. Oh, that feels so good. And I don't know about Okay, so then after that, this came to me, and it's Sephora, and it's a serum, but it's a mushroom face serum, and even though it smells kind of bad, it really does hydrate your skin. But if I forgot to mention too, if you use the glow recipe, you really need to use a moisturizer sunscreen after it. Now, since I'm just going to bed, I'm going to do collagen and firming cream all over my face. The firming cream I kind of put where I feel like I have, like, I don't know, places that could be pumped up. Oh, that feels so good. And I don't know about, since I don't have any of my Fresh Rose deep hydrating cream left, I'm just gonna use some collagen all over my face. And I know you can hear Penelope, and that's fine. But the funny part is that all of these come from the Dollar Tree. And I've tested them against, you know, the really expensive brands, and they do what they need to do. So, yeah. And that pretty much is my night program. I also did my nails, and I made these ones sparkly. Oh! I almost dropped you. Anyway, that's all for tonight. Yeah.